Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If this is a new vlog, I haven't decided yet, but I did mention to you guys that I had gone to Kirkland's because I was looking for the Norfolk pine garland and what happened with that whole situation. So I am headed on the other side of town. I was able to order it online, so now I'm finally going to pick it up so that I can finish decorating my living room for Christmas, because the only thing that's not complete is the mantle. So I'm really ready to get that done. I've been decorating at my client's house. You guys have seen that already, some parts of that, and I have a lot of stuff to take back that we aren't using, and then some stuff that I need to get that we have added. So I just got a lot of things to do today, but it's such a pretty day and it's 50 something degrees outside, which means I finally am able to wear my, you know, I like wearing my little sweats, my little two-piece sets, okay, and my little matching tennis shoes because I'm a shoe junkie now. But anyway guys, let's head out, and I want to get definitely want to get my coffee before I head up this road, because I think the area I'm going to is like 35 minutes away. So the things we do for Christmas, baby, the things we do for the things that we want. Ooh. Finally getting this garland, y'all. Good morning. Good, how are you? I'm picking up an online order for Jenny. It's
yeah, just share your information with her real quick and I can get it pulled. Yeah, share your
Alright guys, we got it. So glad to have it and to get back on my side of town. Super excited I was able to get the garland, y'all. Oh my gosh. She just said that they sold out in the first day that they got it. Why is my tongue twisted? Which I totally believe, which is why I'm all the way over here, because I had 2 locations close to me. I told you what happened, the little horror story with the other location, and then my store, they just were sold out. So this is it. If you're familiar with the Norfolk pine garland, it is so gorgeous. Y'all see this? It's just so beautiful. I love it. So I have 2, and this is what we're gonna use to finish. Does she have it like tangled up to here? Let me see if I can take it out. This is what we're gonna use to finish decorating the mantle. So I'm gonna swag it. You see, there we go. I'm gonna swag it like this. I have 2 of them so it can be thick. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It just looks so real. And they're 5 feet, so it's like a long 5 feet one. So I have 2. Super excited about it. Now I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna go in this HomeGoods over here. I love going to HomeGoods in different areas because they just always have better selections than the HomeGoods by where I live. Got a Hobby Lobby bag. I got so much stuff. I just pulled up to the HomeGoods. I'm gonna go into this one over here since I'm on this side of town, because HomeGoods, you know, are different in different areas, and I like to always explore different ones when I go to like another side of town, just to see what I can find, especially since I'm decorating a client spaces. I do have things like if I'm in there and I see something, I can just get it. So oh, and I need like, because I need like artwork, and I mean, anyway, you just never know. So that's what's about to go in here. My Dunkin' is better than the one that's over here. I actually wish I had got double cold foam. I hate that I didn't get double cold foam, because this much would have been cold foam, but it's perfectly fine. It's okay. Thankfully I got 6 pumps of caramel so that it's, you know, it's still sweet, because baby, if I hadn't, I can tell that it was gonna taste like hard coffee. And yeah. And then once I leave here, I see it's an Old Navy right there. There's a Burlington. I could go in Burlington, because Burlington usually have good home decor too. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. I'm kind of ready to go back on my side of town because I'm hungry. This is all I've had all day. I really want to go to Flying Biscuit and get me a Southern scramble with some grits. Like, that's really what I want. And I didn't pass any good restaurants over here yet, so yeah. Oh, there's a TJ Maxx right next to HomeGoods. I've never seen that before. Usually they're like combined. Ooh, nice. Very nice. I just realized that what it, okay, so the TJ Maxx and the HomeGoods, they are two separate entrances, but when you come in here, it's like one big store. These are pretty. And these are really pretty for outside. They're $129. Yeah, this and this together is gonna be really pretty. $300 reindeer and the DIY ornaments we've been seeing online for $90. These ottomans are so pretty. They're that pretty green that I did my other client's house in. And I'm gonna see if she wants to add these in front of her fireplace. And they also have the ottomans. How cute are these little clamps? I love the way they're shaped. I also have these. And with my sew-in, I think these will be like really good when I pin my hair back. Alright guys, we are going to Cheeseburger Bobby's for lunch. So I'm about to go and put my fixings on it. And I got onion rings. I put all my dressings on. I have mayo, mustard, some type of relish, onions, then extra stuff over here that I didn't use, but my burger is buried underneath all my toppings. Guys, so my Target order just came. I actually ordered some stems to go in the vase because I couldn't decide what I wanted to do in the living room. Basically the room that has the green, mint green Christmas tree. I know I wanted some greenery in that vase. So I went on Target and I saw they had some pretty stems. I have no idea why they sent me I ordered 6. They literally sent me, or did I order 5? Anyway, they put 1 in each box, as you can see. But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Y'all, they were only $5 a stem. $5 per stem. That, like at Kirkland's and some of these other places, they would have been about 15, at least $10, $12, $15 a stem. Do you see how pretty that is? So I'm gonna put these in my vase with the Christmas tree. Oh, and they're full too, because this is only 3. Oh yeah, this is gonna be perfect. Oh, I love it. I so love it. I would link these. I may still link them, guys, but they were sold out. When I went back on, I was like, well, just in case I needed some more, I went on there and they don't have any more, unfortunately.